Struggling with insufficient output from your paper cup machine? New Debao offers your solution. The NEWTOP FW125C, a nimble magic gliding along the production line, is the ultimate efficiency enhancer as a considerate, intelligent partner. It dominates the realm of the high-speed intelligent productivity. The clear door design looks great and lets you peek inside anytime. It's just a door, but it shows how a single feature can make a massive difference. It's not about looking pretty. It's all about being flexible. The FW125C Servo paper cup machine features a muscle-powered servo motor and a high-performance control system. It brings together single rotation design, ultrasonic side sealing, triple hot air layers, and a draw workstation aid rolling for total efficiency. Pumping out 114 units a minute, it totally amps up speed and efficiency. It turns out paper cups in any size, from 16 ounce to 42 ounce, no problem. In the paper cup world, it does it all. When you need a reliable helper for your production, this is your guy.